Welcome back to the cabin, everyone. It's about 20 degrees outside and it was about 16 degrees inside the cabin when I got here a little while ago. Tonight is New Year's Eve, so everyone out there have a safe New Year's and a prosperous 2022. This weekend's project here at the cabin is to get my generator fixed. I called Champion, even though this is a Cabela's, Champion makes a generator, and I called them, talked to a level 2 tech support, and he told me exactly what was wrong with it and exactly how to fix it. So let's go ahead and see if I can't get this thing fixed. Okay, that's all back on. Let me stick the spark plug wire back on it. Snap down on. So that's good, that's good. I got one more thing I gotta do is I want to check the oil. think it's good, but I can't quite see, so let me get additional light here. There's plenty of oil in there, so it probably needs change, but I'll do it this summer, this spring, when it's a little bit warmer out. Put the cap back in. I got the generator fixed, so I'm just gonna hang out here for a little while, get something to eat, and then I'm gonna head back to the Forks for the New Year's celebration. So I'll talk to everyone tomorrow.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of auld lang syne? Poor auld lang syne, my dear, poor auld lang
Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning, and it is just crazy windy outside. I've decided just to pack up and head back to town. The temperature turned cold. It's a high of like 0 degrees right now, and with that wind, the wind chill is like -40 or something like that. So with it being so windy and everything, I'm just gonna head back. No sense in staying out here for a couple days just sitting around the cabin. I can do other things in town. So just a short video. New Year's Eve was fun back at the Forks Roadhouse, as you can see, and just gonna head back and call it a weekend. Talk to everyone next time.